Hello everyone. How are you all? I'm Rupal ma'am. So, do you all remember what did we revise yesterday? We revised number 1, number 2 and number 3. Right? Now let's do a quick revision of these numbers. Okay? Which number is this? Yes, this is number 1. And what is this? One ball. One ball. Now, which number is this? Number 2. And what are these? 2 flowers. 2 flowers. Now, which number is this? Number 3. Number 3. And what are these? Trees. 1, 2, 3 trees. Kids, now we are going to watch a short story of 3 little pigs.
The Three Little Pigs. Once upon a time, there were 3 little pigs, and the time came for them to seek their fortunes and build their houses. The first little pig built himself a house of straw. The middle brother decided to build a house of sticks. It wasn't either a very strong house, but the third pig, the oldest, decided to build a house of bricks. He did not mind hard work because he wanted a strong house, because he knew that in the woods nearby there was a wolf who liked to catch little pigs and eat them up. When the 3 houses were finished, the 3 little pigs were happy dancing and singing. Who is scared of Furious Wolf, Furious Wolf, Furious Wolf? Who is scared of Furious Wolf? Just as the first little pig reached his door, out of the woods popped up a big, bad wolf. The little pig squealed with fright and slammed the door. Little pig, let me come in, cried the wolf. Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin, said the little pig. Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in, roared the wolf, and he blew the little straw house. Away raced the little pig to his brother's house of sticks. The wolf was really angry, so went behind the youngest pig, the house of sticks, where the pigs were singing, Who is scared of Furious Wolf, Furious Wolf, Furious Wolf? Who is scared of Furious Wolf? Suddenly, the wolf roared, Open the door, let me come in. No, we won't, said the pigs. Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow down your house, roared the wolf, and he blew down the little house of sticks. The 2 little pigs raced away to his big brother's house of bricks and started to sing, Who is scared of Furious Wolf, Furious Wolf, Furious Wolf? Who is scared of Furious Wolf? This made the big wolf perfectly furious. Open the door, little pigs, let me come in. No, we won't. Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow down your house. But he couldn't blow down the little house of bricks. He decided to climb and get in through the chimney. So he climbed, jumped down, and fell right into a kettle of boiling water. He sprang straight up the chimney again and raced away into the woods. The 3 little pigs never saw him again and spent their time in the strong brick house, dancing and singing. Who is scared of Furious Wolf, Furious Wolf, Furious Wolf? Who is scared of Furious Wolf, Furious Wolf? The end.
Let's see how many pigs are there and how many houses are there in the story. 1, 2, 3. 3 little pigs. 1, 2, 3. 3 houses. Hope you all enjoyed the story. Now, let us see the solution to yesterday's worksheets. Have you colored your worksheet? I have colored my cups with green, red and blue color. Let me see yours. Let's solve this worksheet. 1, 2. 2 ice creams. So we will circle on number 2. 1 ladybird. So we will circle on number 1. 1, 2. 2 birds. We will circle number 2. 1, 2, 3. 3 teddy bears. We will circle number 3. Okay, bye bye children. Stay at home. Be safe. Thank you.